And in this tutorial, I will show you how to make this creepy pinhead meat head for all of your Halloween party needs. Yes, I actually made this meat head of magnificence, and I took it with me to a Halloween themed party, and it was the most disgusting, disturbing thing that many people had ever eaten, and I loved every second of it. You're welcome. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoy this video, please click the like button, it really helps my videos get seen.
For this project, you'll need a platter, a styrofoam skull, a cutting board, a knife, 3 packages of cooked cocktail sausages, 2 types of cheese, pickles, olives, barbecue sauce, plastic wrap, a beaker, and some toothpicks. Begin by covering your skull with several layers of plastic wrap. This is going to keep any juices from permeating the skull, making it unusable. Although if you leave anything in this too long, I do recommend that you throw it away after use, but this will keep it sanitary in the meantime and also keep anything that may be on that styrofoam skull off of the food. Then begin applying each of your little sausages with toothpicks, beginning just above the mouth and slowly filling in the face like this. You don't want to do too much at once, otherwise you may end up not being able to fit in the eyes, but just do this general area, leaving the sides open. Then take your white cheese and either using a large spoon, scoop out a chunk in a rough eyeball shape, or use a knife to cut them, then cut 2 olives in half, and hold your cheese and olive eyeballs in place using toothpicks. I recommend that you sink these toothpicks almost all the way into that olive, but not completely so that nobody bites into it. Then continue applying the sausages all the way around the skull. I recommend that you do the front of it, then the sides, then the top, and then gradually work your way towards the back, making sure that you alternate between sides to keep everything symmetrical. This way, if you run out of sausages before you're completely done, any gaps will be in the back and hidden from view. Then once you've stuck all of those sausages onto the head, arrange your platter with any extras that you're putting on it. I did 2 types of cheese, pickle spears, and some olives, and then put your barbecue sauce into the beaker to add a creepy dipping sauce for this. You can heat it up when you arrive at your destination or leave it cold. And either way, this is probably the creepiest thing that you'll ever bring to a party. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.